The purpose of this hearing today was to determine the status of the state's witness, the alleged victim in the indictment, for the court to get a status on that, being Nazir, N-A-Z-I-R, Kazmi, K-A-Z-M-I. Mr. Parrish, I think it might be helpful just for the record. Of course, the court has a record of everything that took place yesterday because you have now filed with the court a motion for continuance, which the court just received, filed at 1:33 today. Why don't you go ahead, Mr. Parrish?
Thank you, Your Honor. Sometime between July the 2nd and today, there was some type of family emergency. Mr. Kazmi had a brother who had a heart attack and passed away. We were able to determine that on July the 3rd is when the victim, Mr. Kazmi, left the country. And I did talk with the victim in this case, Nazir Kazmi, and he advised me of the situation, that he apologized, felt that he was 100% sure that he would be back in the United States next Tuesday and would be available for testimonial purposes on Wednesday. That's what he advised me over the phone. And I said, look, you got to understand we're going to have a hearing in this. I got to file a motion for continuance on this, and I got to let the court know this. And he said, no.
It would appear to the court that certainly I do have sworn testimony before the court that the victim, Mr. Alleged victim in the indictment, Mr. Kazmi, went to Pakistan because of the death of his brother. The court does find that good, well, needless to say, certainly an understandable and sufficient reason for him to try to get to Pakistan as quick as he could with the death of his brother. Considering the entire record in the case, the court does find it's consistent with the ends of justice for the court to grant the motion for continuance and set the case for jury selection on Tuesday the 24th, which would give us then the rest of that week to try the case. Select the jury on Tuesday the 24th.